This is a property we acquired for a client recently. This is a ground floor retail. It's closed for about 20 years. We're looking at converting the ground floor into a residential unit and the back into storage. Just take a walk in for a second. This particular unit will be a 1 bed, 1 bath. It would have its own entrance door. You can see there's actually a dual entrance door here. And the secondary door here is going up to 3 existing apartments at the moment. Again, so this wall will be put back up and will be fully fire rated and fully compliant with building and fire regulations. Just you can see here, the original floor here. Again, we'll look at putting in some new arches and we'll be making it very much of the age and of the style of the property as well. Building is roughly 1781, I believe, so it's an extremely old building, so we'll be very sensitive in the nature when we are doing the refurbishment. We'll take that into consideration just on the fit-outs. The roller shutter is open for the first time, I think, in about 20 years, and this is going to make a fantastic 1 bed, one bathroom apartment. Joists are at the moment, and there's some parts of the building are unsafe, which have now been made safe, and the strip out has begun. We'll just take a walk through here while we're here. So again, you have a bathroom here, bedroom at the rear, fire escape out through the lobby. There'll be new oak created here through the main building. We'll also put a 1 bed apartment back here. Layout, stairs will be directly in front of you, bedroom downstairs. Stairs then going up the kitchen, come living room. And there'll also be a private roof terrace garden, which will be a beautiful space. And again, it'll be a nice sun trap.